Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I spent this past weekend getting the table 90% done. I've got it all hooked up except for the plasma cutter. The torch is on the machine and ran. I'll hook that up in a second. I gotta do a leak test on the table. There's no water in it. But here in a second, we're gonna do the break-in file. It'll put the Y1 and Y2 axis and the X axis at full speed, doing a diagonal pattern across back and forth to make sure everything's working correctly. This is definitely a nice investment for the shop. I'll be able to make my own notches, maybe even be able to do my own frames. The possibilities are endless. I'm gonna start looking up and getting into doing metal art so I can do signs. Anything you can think of, hit me up if you have anything you want me to make. Bear with me, I'm just getting to learn it. I know somewhat how to mess with CAD, so I need to go ahead and probably spend some time on that more, but let's go ahead and get this break-in file started. I'll set the camera up and we'll see what it can do. Break-in successful. All right, I program. Here, let's see if we can program complete. Close that. All right. Like I said, if there's anything You want me to cut? I'm gonna get some water in this, do a leak test. As long as we're good, I can put some water in it. Like I said, I'll connect this to it. It gets mounted down there. And then I have to connect this module still. That's the height sensor. There we go. That's the sensor for that, to know the height off the table. So this is definitely going to be interesting. It's going to be a learning experience. Let's send it home before we close this video out. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. You'll definitely be seeing this in the background running, or you'll be seeing me cutting parts for future projects. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment.